The first ever virtual NFL draft is officially open.
I want it now and I ain't never gonna back down.
With the first pick, the Cincinnati Bengals select Joe Burrow.
Jump up to number 1 overall. It's a dream come true.
The Washington Redskins select Chase Young.
This is crazy. I'm in awe right now.
We have a theme for the first 3 draft picks, all teammates at Ohio State in 2017.
I hope Brian's on the phone with Tua. I hope they do not blow it here.
We got to take Tua Tagovailoa.
The Miami Dolphins select Tua Tagovailoa.
Justin, you there? He's coming to LA, baby.
We've talked for weeks about the depth of this receiver class. As soon as one of them goes, we may get on a little bit of a run.
The first ever draft selection by the Las Vegas Raiders, Henry Ruggs. The Denver Broncos select Jerry Jeudy. The Dallas Cowboys select CeeDee Lamb.
The 49ers are going to trade with Tom Brady's Bucs.
The Tampa Bay Buccaneers select Tristan Wirfs.
But now the 26th pick has been dealt to the Green Bay Packers.
Jordan Love.
I can learn a lot from Aaron Rodgers. That's one of the goats right there in the game.
You should tell him to kiss you where the sun doesn't shine. Get me the hell up out of here. Let's find a different location for me.
The Philadelphia Eagles select Jalen Hurts.
Well, it just got interesting, ladies and gentlemen.
This is just a weird pick for the Philadelphia Eagles.
We got something here you're going to look good in.
Oh, I'm going to look amazing in that.
I want it now.